a complaint against an officer.
Okay, what's going on?
It was at the 61st precinct. I would say Monday. Why that look? What's wrong with the 61st precinct?
Are you recording it?
Yeah, I'm taking pictures and
No,
video
you
for
can't-
my
you can't-
safety.
You have to shut it off. It says right here, members, you're supposed to record me. So if you have to record, you have to step out, sir. You cannot record here.
Why would that be though?
I just told you.
But that's not a law, ma'am.
Okay. Sir,
I'm recording for my safety.
Okay, you cannot record here.
I'm recording for my safety,
You
ma'am.
cannot record here.
I'm recording for my safety. I'm trying to file a complaint.
Here, sir. You cannot record here.
My freedom and my property was taken from me by the NYPD. Sir, my freedom. I'm here to conduct business, sir. You're sergeant? Sergeant, I'm here to conduct business. My freedom and my freedom. But listen, my freedom.
That's perfectly fine.
But I'm here to conduct business. What I'm saying is I'm here to get services. My freedom and my property was taken from me by the NYPD. I'm here recording. Yes, I was arrested. My freedom.
We're going to record also
So
outside.
If you want to send somebody outside, you can do that under threat of arrest. I have a right to record in public. I have the right to record the NYPD in the course of their duty. This is 100%. This is 100% public. This is a public lobby. This is a public lobby. I'm going to ask you to de-escalate a little bit.
You need to go outside.
I'm going to ask you
need to step
de-escalate.
outside because then it's handcuffs afterwards. So step outside. Go ahead.
That sign is not a law, Sergeant.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
It is a
not.
law in the
It is
city
not
of
a
New York.
law.
Step
What law
outside.
is it?
Go outside, pass the
What
sign,
law
and
is
you can
it?
record all you'd like.
What law is it? What law is
You
it,
cannot
Sergeant?
record in the precinct. That is the law.
It's not
It is
obstruction.
Sir, back.
I need
Go.
help filing a complaint. That's what I came here to do. Who's going to help me with that?
You cannot record inside.
So
of the
send
precinct.
somebody out here to help me file a complaint.
Take your
somebody
foot.
will
Take your
come
foot up the
outside.
door.
Okay, so send somebody out here to file a complaint.
I'm gonna have
I want all
somebody
your
call
badge
you.
numbers. I
I'm
want
gonna-
all your badge
it's-
numbers and
You
names.
have it right there. So you have it right there.
I need to file a complaint, Sergeant. Are you denying me services?
Someone is going to help you.
Listen up. Our reporter storms the 61st precinct to file a complaint against an officer. Right away, they challenge him. Are you recording? Yes, he's recording for safety. The officer insists he can't film inside, but there's no law stopping it. He stands his ground, declaring his constitutional right to record in a public lobby. The tension explodes instantly. This isn't just paperwork. It's a clash over freedom and accountability.
Supervisors, welcome my other officers. So we provide you information. I believe you want to complain in regards to the 61 precinct?
61st precinct.
61st,
yeah.
okay. So we gave the information for CCRB. You can call the hotline at this phone number, or you can file online at newyorkcity.gov/CCRB complaint.
I like to file one in person here. You guys don't. You guys take complaints here.
It's a whole thing. Like I said, it'd be easier for you just to call them or.
I know, but I
more
would
efficient.
want to file it here. If I can't go in, the reason why I'm not being able to file it
totally,
here is that you're not allowing me to record inside, even though there's no law against recording inside the
Yes,
lobby.
sir. No, so just it's stated like right on the
That's
wall.
not a law. That's a sign. That's just a sign. You're law enforcement. You're not policy enforcement or sign enforcement. That's not a law. That's not a criminal statute. That's just a sign that anybody could put up there. That doesn't mean anything.
So
but let me finish.
Of course.
And then, so I'm here to file a complaint, just like anyone else would be here to file a complaint.
Right.
You're under threat of arrest. I have left the lobby under threat of arrest. I am here. Now I want somebody to come out here, a supervisor, to take my complaint against an officer. There should be no problem to do that. The sergeant even told me he would have somebody come out here and take my complaint. That's what I'm trying to do here. That's it. It's not that hard. Just like any other, if I wasn't recording, anybody else coming here would have just been able to do a complaint at the police department. That's the services you offer here. What else do you guys, you take criminal complaints, officer complaints. This is what you do. This is your job. You just pass me off to do it somewhere else. This is your job here, right?
So in regard.
Telling him to file online or call a hotline. He fires back. Signs aren't law. Citizens can't be blocked from documenting public servants. He demands badge numbers, refuses to be intimidated, and pushes for his complaint to be formally accepted. This is a battle for transparency, and he's not backing down. Every step exposes the friction between authority and constitutional rights.
You're not allowed to record in any police precinct, whether it's New York City, in any one of the 5 boroughs, or outside.
It's not a law.
Okay, it's posted. There's a reason why it's posted in that particular spot, okay?
But it's not a law.
I'm just telling you what the rules are. Hey, how you doing, sir? All right. So would you like this information or no?
I would like to file my complaint here.
Okay, hang tight, sir. All right.
Sure.
Do you have
Like
ID?
like anybody else would.
Do you have ID on you by any chance?
Oh, I don't carry ID.
No, of course. Okay.
Yeah. Hey, how are you, Sarge?
So we're gonna file your complaint that you're making.
Yep.
I'm gonna call CCRB, IAB, and file that for you. It's against a 6-1. All right. I'm gonna fill that out. I'm just gonna get a number for you, so you can have that.
Sure.
Any other issues? You said.
Yeah. So Sergeant Pellegrino, 526.
Yes.
Okay.
567.
So I was noticing that there's these cars with no license plate parked illegally here. Are those owned by the city of New York?
Those are vouchered vehicles, sir.
What does that mean?
That means if they were taken into custody for some reason or not, and we're just waiting to tow that to the pound. So we
Oh,
take
okay.
it
So
here
they're
first,
they're
just
not
to
owned by
process
the.
it, yes.
So they're just towed.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
How can they say that they want to serve the public? Let's say that you are attacked by a police officer in public for everyone to see. But now they want you to go to that officer's place of work to accuse him of a crime, but you cannot record to protect yourself. Are they stupid or what? But now, watch the series of questions that made the sergeant almost admit that they are targeting the First Amendment.
I just wanted to
I'm
make
gonna fill
sure.
this out for you. I'll come right back.
All right. Thanks, Sergeant. Yep.
And before, you're not allowed to film inside the precinct station's facility.
Yeah, but that's not a law, Sergeant.
We can ask you to shut it down. If you don't shut it down, at some point you're trespassing.
Yeah, trespassing in a place where I'm allowed to be. Do you see how? Listen, I know you didn't make the policy. I know you didn't make the rule, Sergeant. I'm not saying you did. I'm just saying, as a public servant, as yourself, like all of you are public servants, which I respect and I appreciate. It's a good service you do for your community. But by locking out the public, the freedom of press, the First Amendment, locking out the freedom of press, there's no governmental need, there's no significant governmental, benefit in order to. Why would be the purpose? In your words, what would be?
He questions officers about vouchered vehicles, illegal parking, and why citizens must go to the officer's workplace to report misconduct. The sergeant claims recording inside is a safety concern. Our reporter dismantles that cameras don't hurt anyone. They only expose corruption. Every attempt to justify blocking him crumbles under logic. This is accountability in real time, and the power struggle couldn't be clearer.
The purpose.
Safety concern.
Safety. A camera never hurt anyone
inside the precinct. I'm not saying outside.
No,
You
but I'm
can
saying
film
inside.
all you want
Inside,
right
it's
there.
not a safety concern because the cameras never hurt
That's what you
anyone.
think.
It's only exposed corruption and tyranny. But how can it hurt someone?
We asked you to leave multiple times.
No, but
inside the precinct.
But how
You
can a?
didn't
Yeah, but you
film
said it's a safety issue.
it.
How
I'm
is a
just saying
camera a
what-
safety issue?
what the laws and what we've been told about that.
But it's
if
not a
you're
safety
If
issue.
you're going to stay inside, keep recording and not leave, and I asked you multiple times to leave.
Well, under threat of arrest, I left.
But you did. That's what
I
I'm just-
left
I'm
under
just-
threat of arrest because I was already arrested, and now, hopefully we can affect some change here. So again, there's no need. You can't come up with one. As the you're in charge of this department right now, this lobby right now, right? But there's no need for it. Laws, there's purposes for them.
You can be arrested for trespass
But why?
inside the facility.
Because I'm recording, though. Specifically because I'm
It's a
recording.
safety concern.
You wouldn't ask anyone else to leave if somebody just walked in without recording, right? And you wouldn't ask them to
not
leave.
recording.
They could just hang out there all day, correct?
They can hang out. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
Okay, so the recording's the
I'm
problem.
not. I'm just keeping it real here.
The recording's the problem. That's good to know.
Yeah.
I mean, there's
Like I said,
no
I-
benefit to the
I had no
NYPD.
problem if you want to record for your safety, like we can come out, we can talk to you out here, and then.
But what if it was like a private thing where I wanted to record and I wanted to? What if it was something where I wanted to be segregated, not in public? Because anybody can record us out in here in public. And what if it was like someone taking a special victims crime or something like that, and they felt comfortable recording? They wouldn't be able to record inside the station, so they just wouldn't. What if they were sexually assaulted by an officer and they wanted to just come and speak to somebody in private and they wanted to record because they're scared now? That's what I'm saying. It doesn't serve any significant benefit to not record, but it does. It does.
To utilize right there.
But it does serve a significant benefit to allow recording.
It benefits you. I understand that.
Yeah, it benefits everyone. Transparency and accountability benefits everyone, Sergeant.
Excellent.
Officers demand he leaves. He exits under threat of arrest. He challenges the rule. Why can anyone else hang out? But recording is the problem. The sergeant admits it. The recording itself is the issue, not safety. This highlights a chilling truth. Transparency is treated as a threat, not a right. The First Amendment is on the line, and he's standing firm, documenting every move.
I'm gonna come back with this. You gonna hang out?
Yeah, I'm hanging out right here. I don't want to get arrested.
Sorry about the wait, man. Trying to do like 10 things at once.
It's all right.
Alright, I put the number for CCRB in the back for you.
Okay.
So call up, and I guess you're going to get a log number from them. I'm going to send the paperwork over that
Okay.
you filled out with us. Alright?
All right, Sergeant. So I just
So
take
my
this.
name is on the bottom. So supervisor and officer, the officer that received it. So this one's yours, alright?
All right, thank you, Sergeant. I do appreciate your professionalism in taking the complaint, but the actions of you and your officers here today, completely unacceptable. Threatening to arrest a citizen for engaging in a constitutionally protected activity, take my freedom away from me, steal my property, completely unacceptable. It's tyranny. That's what it is. It's tyranny. I know, but that's what I'm saying is that's tyranny because you're violating my constitutional rights, and that's unacceptable. We the people will fight against tyranny with everything we have.
Well, you can take up the complaint.
And I'm following the proper channels, but I'm telling you.
This isn't isolated. These tactics are spreading nationwide, targeting citizens exercising their rights. One lobby, one camera, one complaint at a time. The fight for transparency continues, and it's escalating fast.